Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samantha. And today, I'll be doing a try-on review unboxing video. Beneunder was kind enough to send me some of their pieces. And today, in this video, we will be showing the pieces that they sent over and trying them on. If you've never heard of Beneunder, Beneunder is an Asian brand that focuses on outdoor clothing with sun protection technology and fabric. They were once known for its iconic small UV protected umbrellas, but now they have clothing, sunglasses, sun hats, travel accessories, and more. I already unboxed some of these items, but I wanted to show you how they sent their packaging and how they pack their items. It comes in this little green Ziploc bag, and within that Ziploc bag, there's another protection for your clothes. And this is not your typical plastic wrap. You can see here it's like pretty high quality material. I don't know what it is, but it's very nice. And taking the item out, this is actually one of their sports bras. This is their Impact Woman Shock Absorb Sports Bra in the color T, and this is also a size small. As you can see, it comes with these air balloon with the cup sits. So during the packaging, it doesn't flatten the cups. And I saw this in multiple padded tops that I received, which is very nice. And I don't know about you, but I personally appreciate how brands take care of the packaging because it shows that the brand care about their products. And this is what the back looks like. This is what the sports bra looks like on. This is a size small, but to be honest, this is actually a lot tighter than the other size small tops I got. So if you want this specific bra, I do think you should size up. But the material on this bra is very buttery soft, which I really enjoy and I really like and appreciate, because usually when I work out, what I gravitate towards for workout tops or workout outfits is these buttery feelings, because it just feels so much better when I'm working out. This is what it looks like. I also got a pair of sunglasses, so let me unbox it right now. Cool. This is the little case that comes with the sunglasses case. And here you could actually attach it to a bag, here, a clip right here. This is like a pretty sturdy case. And their sunglasses are actually foldable. Isn't that so cool? It's very compact, but it's very sturdy. Super, super lightweight. These sunglasses is actually UV 400 lenses. They block harmful UV rays while also offering clear vision for outdoor activities. And because it's foldable, it's easy to carry around, or I could easily clip it to my bag. This pants is called Dash. It's a quick dry sun protection cargo pants that is in the size small in the color night blue. The fabric is lightweight and it could block up to 99.8% UV rays, which is perfect for the summer heat. This is super lightweight and super thin. It has a stretchy waistband with multi-function pockets. And the pockets are pretty deep. Once I put my phone in, it drops all the way down here. And there's a separate pocket right here where I could also drop in stuff. These are straight leg cuts, but the cool thing is it actually has draw cords right here, which allow you to adjust it to jogger style or wide leg, which is super versatile. I'll show you right now. If I adjust it right here, it turns to a jogger style versus a wide leg. So super versatile depending on how you want to wear this. And this is what it looks like with the drawstrings. You can just hide it inside. And this is what it looks like when it's on the jogger style. Cuffed to your ankles. This jacket is called Flex. It's a sports sun protected jacket in size small and gray. I love this piece because once you zipper it, it fits to my body perfectly. And you can always size up if you want a looser fit, but this is perfect to throw on if you're running or have a cute workout outfit on. The nice part is on the side, there's a zipper pocket. So if you unzipper this, there's a pocket right here. It's also pretty deep, and you can always zipper it up so your things don't fall out. And here are the sleeves. There's actually a hole to fit your thumb in, so it's form-fitting here. The fabric is actually super buttery. It blocks off 99% UV rays. It's also super stretchy, so it doesn't really restrict your body, even though it's slim-fitting. And it's really built to keep you cool and dry even during a intense activity. And right here, it zippers all the way to the collar, and you can hide the zipper with a little cloth, which is nice. And then this is what the back looks like. But here, there's two different types of patterns. So here it doesn't have the rib structure, and here it does. Really, really like this, really form-fitting.
Moving on towards the next outfit, this top is called Bear. It's a seamless lightweight bra in a tank top in size small, color black. The fabric is built to keep you cool and comfortable and provides a refreshing feel and prevents sweat buildup. It also has a removable bra pad, and this is what the straps look like. It's double strapped. And this is what the back looks like. It's crossed in the back. This pants is called Rush. It's a quick dry straight leg pants in the color gray size small. It is designed for spring and summer seasons that offers sun protection. The material is also lightweight, which is perfect for outdoor activities and sports. There's also a drawstring right here where you could adjust to make the pants tighter if you need to. And I love the color of this two-tone gray. It gives the pants a little bit more character, and I love how deep these pockets are, making it functional. The cool part is these pants are functional. At the bottom of the legs, there's also drawstrings on the bottom where you can make it tighter if needed and turn it into a jogger style. And you could easily hide the strings underneath, which is perfect if you're hiking around tall grass and worried that bugs will curl up the leg holes. You could tighten up the bottom and close it up. I love how these pants gives off street style vibes but also functional as well. For the next piece, this tank is called Grace. This is in the color coffee in size small. The tank has a rib-like texture and is designed to keep you cool and supported all summer long. I love that this tank has a built-in bra, so I don't need to wear one underneath. And that means during the summer, I could be in less layers. The straps are also adjustable, which is a nice touch. And because this top is form-fitting, when I'm walking around, it doesn't shift or move, which is perfect for working out.
The Beneunder Fall collection just dropped, and I picked out a few pieces to show you, starting with this top. This top is called the Urban Polo in the color beige, size small. Even though it's a color beige, it looks a little bit more white. It's a lightweight polo dermal top, so if you look into the sleeves, it's lined with some fleece. So it does keep you warm at the same time. There is a collar right here and also a zipper. I like how the zipper is not as noticeable. It blends in with the polo, so if you unzip it, it goes all the way down here. Or if you want to, you can also zip it back up. If you like golfing, I thought this top is perfect for a golfing outfit. Or you could even dress it up with some work pants and wear it to work. For the next top, this is called Henley Haven. This is in the color beige, size small, and similar to the other top, although this is a beige color, it reminds me of an off-white color. And this is made with double yarn brush fabric. The inside of this Henley kind of reminds me of a fleece material, but a dinner version, which is great to layer up or wear as solo. And up front here, there are buttons in the front that goes one third down the top. So you could button it all the way up or not. And on the bottom here is different from your traditional tops where it's strictly across. It actually scoops, which I really like. It gives your outfit more character. This is great to throw on once the weather gets cooler and also run errands in. If you want to layer up, you can throw on this jacket called BreezeShield. This is a high collar zip up sun protection jacket in the color coffee, size small. This is actually super light and breathable, which is perfect for the fall transition. It will also protect you from both the wind and sun with certified UPF 50 plus fabric. If it gets too cold or windy, you can zip it all the way up to your neck, protecting you from the wind. But if you don't need to, you could zip it right back under. Similar to the other jacket, there's also holes right here where you can slip your thumb in. And this jacket also have pockets on both sides, which is a plus.
Overall, I'm really happy with the pieces I received from Beneunder. If you're interested in checking out their collection, I linked all the items I feature in this video in the description below. You can use SAM15 for 50% off site-wide, or use code SAM20 for 20% off when ordering over 3 items. Best thing is, it's free shipping worldwide. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!